guys, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to paint your toenails gray. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Now I'm going to start by painting my toenails gray. Instagram is in the description below. The cards at the top of the video and the videos on the end screen. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe,